you know, to bust right in here, speaking to the masses out there in the world. Bye. Well, weather forecast for today, it's raining. And to be noted, log in on whatever star date it is, make a pencil mark that it actually rained today here in Middle Tennessee, and it has been a great number of days since we've had rain, so it's a much welcome event to be noted. I painted that purple. I'm gonna put a stripe around there of yellow, and then I think I'm going to come back with a maybe a turquoise, a light robin egg color blue, robin eggs blue in the one shot line, and give us a stripe in there. Then we'll go from there. Man. Well, I've got it laid out. If you take a note, if you follow along with this circus wagon, as the story would go, is as this project moves along, being that this is as it is today, I'm just saying, keeping in mind at all times that building this onto a top of a workbench, the perspective is totally different as to this will be a floor level display. So you have to imagine all work in reverse, as if you're looking down on it. Keeping the pivot points adjustable as you add another board to it. You add and weight. You have to adjust it. Get that done. That'd be number 2 right there. Star date something or other. As to classify it as a work of art, today being of the Cubist era in art, you know, when everything was square, rounded off. So that was the inspiration for today. Inspiration being yes, to be entered in as the Cubist influence of art in past, The piece being 7 foot tall, even feetage, 22.5 inches wide, about 3.5 inches deeper. Y'all leave a comment. Go ahead and subscribe. Pass it on to a friend. I have them here in Middle Tennessee, the Geographical Center or something they say. Shop Dog Sam. Y'all come on back. We'll get this radio show started. I get a seat. Put a seat up yonder. A little step there for the driver. Some climbing rings on that other side. I get a brake handle on this side over here. And we'll put some big oversized tie-down buckles down there on the corner. Moving on. How to build a circus wagon. Well, to make an observation weather report as to concerning this drought we've been having, no rain. And then the last couple of days we had a lot of rain. And it's gone now, but kind of dry again. But the acorns are starting to fall. It's abundant crop this year. I'm not sure if it's early for acorns to fall or what, but just make note of that here in Middle Tennessee. The backyard just covered up with acorns. Some really nice ones. A deer will be moving in a few days. Looking off down that way. And my backyard. You know, I done went over and turned the fan off. I done turned the radio off. I done been listening to the radio this morning. Question being, what'd you do today? I'm going to blow that off. Air hose. I'm going to use icing, automotive grade glazing putty. I'm going to use icing in there as a wood filler. Let's get that done. As the project would be, as start date today, go ahead and log it in there. How to build a circus wagon. About a quarter scale, I suspect. Hit and miss engine going to be installed in there.